Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Canon L11121e printer driver on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first open our browser. Now, on your browser, you will need to paste this link. So this link will be down in the description box. So just click it right there, and then you will be redirected into this page. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down and then look for the driver download links. So right here, we have different types of links. So we have the driver for Windows 10, 8, 8.1, and so on, which is a 32-bit. Now, we also have one which is a 64-bit. Now, to know which one to download, we will need to go into our search bar and then search for system information. Now, click on Open. Now, in this part, you will see your bit under the system type. So I'm using 64-bit PC. And then for the OS name, I'm using Windows 11. So going back right here, I'm going to download this, Windows 11 64-bit. So this is what I'm going to click. Now, once it is right here, let's wait for this to finish. Once it is done, what we're going to do is to click on Show in Folder. And then what we're going to do is to double click it. After that, click on Yes. Now, once you do that, as you can see, we now have this folder. So what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for printers and scanners. After that, click on Open. And then in this part, we're going to click on Add Device. Once you click on Add Device, let's wait for the Add a New Device manually right here. And then click on Add a Local Printer. After that, click on Next. And then for the existing port, look for any USB port that you will see right here. So if you see a USB port, make sure that you select that. But in my case, I don't have that, so I'm just going to use null as an example. After that, we're going to click on Next. And then in this part, we're going to click on Have Disk, and then click on Browse. After that, let's go here on the Downloads, and then look for the folder that we have just extracted. After that, we're going to click on 64, and then click on Driver, and then you will see this file. So we're going to double click on it, and then we're going to click on OK. Now after that, you will see this printer right here. So all you have to do is to select it and then click on Next. And then if you want to change the name, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click on Next again. And then the driver will now be installed. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. After that, click on Do Not Share and Next, and then click on Finish. Once you do that, you will now be able to see your printer right here. So that is basically it.